Yo, what up, man? So I just wanted to take a time to do some trade updating. I haven't really um, been posting a lot about my trades, especially on my YouTube and everything. But I want to try to talk about it, man, because today was one of those classic days to where when a trade is going by plan, you're expecting for trade to play out a particular way, and it doesn't fully meet your requirements. So you have to force yourself to sit on your hands, and even, if it looks like it's about to make a move that you want to see, what I'm saying? You just sit on your hands and wait for it. Um, the market was moving real good, from Asian session going into London, it stalled, and then in New York, it looked like it was gonna give the play today, but it fell short of actually coming to my area, So I want to take a second to go over to the chart and show y'all how the day was playing out, because I was doing a play-by-play, recording my trades and everything, So let's check that out, and then let's talk about it.
We are in New York session. This is a pullback that I've been waiting for. Prices coming for this 4-hour fair value gap here. I'm waiting for them to sweep the previous daily low, the previous weekly high levels, to see what kind of reaction we get from there. We are about to be in the kill zone within the next 10 minutes. So I'm allowing it to continue to play out before we make any decisions. We want to be fully inside of the kill zone to get a good idea and sweep these levels outside of value, because the majority of the value is within here. So we need to come outside of value for the best move. So we're going to wait to see that and then react. We are now officially in the kill zone, 9 a.m., but we don't have a sweep on the levels. Prices pushed down to the edge of value, came just above the previous daily low level, but they failed to sweep it. So we are sitting on our hands until we see that sweep, because this could be a fake out to go long, to cause impulsive buyers to react.
So at this point, I'm like, we're not getting the sweep that we're looking for, man. We were looking for them to come down here in this gap and sweep these levels to give us that ultimate long that we're looking for, and prices just stall it out. So I started looking for things to why is it doing that? You got a little bit of Fed news going on, and we also get another announcement. So my issue is that they didn't come down and fill that gap, right? So I had to sit on my hands and really couldn't get what I wanted to get. On one of my accounts, I ended up getting a few scalps in between the price movement, because it was a lot of good price movement, and then you had the issue with Fed news coming up, you know what I'm saying? So Feds are having discussions, and that makes a lot of speculation come to play. And then I also seen a buddy share news with me and said multiple news outlets reported on September 25th that Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth ordered hundreds of generals and admirals to attend an urgent, unexplained meeting at the Marine Corps base on Tuesday, September 30th. Now, this directive has caused significant concern and speculation among military officials. Now, with that military official having speculation, that's also going to have the world markets have speculation. So, we don't know what's about to happen. So I got my eyes on gold, man. I'm looking at these levels and seeing if they decide to break out of this consolidation. So if they go ahead and make a move to bust out of that consolidation, then I'll be ready to catch the bounce. You know what I'm saying? The continuation of it, or we're gonna wait for that sweep on those levels like we were originally waiting for, and then take advantage, man. So when you see situations like this, man, just sit on your hands, wait for things to look to line up, and then you have your plan of attack on it. You know what I'm saying? But that's what that is, man. Woodz. No FOMO, man.